This video is about decimal division. So these are few simple questions of decimal, like I'm going to divide 2.4 by 6 and 0.036 by 0.00018, 576 by 0.012, 243 by 100. Now whenever we look at decimal, we find them difficult, but actually there is a very simple way to solve. For example, the first question is 2.4 divided by 6. Now you must look that the divisor should be free of decimal. Here dividend is 2.4 and divisor is decimal free, so what I can do is I can simply use a division bracket, put a decimal above decimal. Now I can go for the table. 6 4s are 24 and I have my answer. Answer is 0.4. But what if the divisor has a decimal? For example, the second question which I am going to solve here, the divisor has 5 places of decimal. See, you can say 1 2 3 4 5. Now what we need to do is we will put dividend upon divisor. Now count the places 1 2 3 4 5. Here there are only 1 2 3, so I am going to put 2 zeros to make them 5 places of decimal. Now here also 5 places, as numerator also has 5 places, so simply we can remove the decimal. Equal number of decimal places, decimal is removed. So finally my number is something like this upon 18. So now what I can do, I can use the division brackets. So 18 2s are 36, a 0 for a 0, another 0 for a 0, and my division is completed. So the answer to this is 200. See what I did? I just put dividend over divisor, counted the places, 5 places, inserted 2 more zeros to make the 5 places equal, then removed the decimal. Finally I had it like this without any decimals and got my solution. The next one is 576 divided by 0.012. Can you see? Now the dividend is decimal free, but divisor has 3 places of decimal. Again 576 upon 0.012. You can see 3 places of decimal. I'll put a decimal here, count 3 zeros, 1 2 3. Now 3 places in the denominator, 3 places in the numerator, simply remove the decimal. So finally I have 576 with 3 zeros divided by 12. Use simple division brackets. See, we always put a 0 and we have the answer 48000. Again I show you, I had this number, I put it like 576 upon 0.012, 3 places of decimal, I put 3 zeros and remove the decimal, and I have it like this. Now I can simply calculate. So every time you need to remove the decimal, you have to make sure there are equal number of zeros behind decimal. Then you can simply remove the decimal in both numerator and denominator. The last one is, if I have to divide 243 with 100. Now this is something like 243 upon 100. So very easy, just count the zeros if it is 100. 2.43. 2 zeros means 2 places of decimal. For example, the same question, if I had something like divided by 10, it would have been 243 upon 10, only 1 zero, so it would become 24.3. Or else if it was 243 divided by 1000, so there were 3 zeros, so it would have been, start counting from behind, 1 2 3 and put a decimal here. Finally, if I had 243 upon say 10,000, then what would have been the answer? Write the digits. There are 4 zeros. Count from behind, 1 2 3 4 and put a decimal. So decimal division with zeros is very simple.